that I have never seen such a clinic in the UK like Vera Clinic. It's everything is like a clinic from the future. I live in the UK and I'm a general and gastrointestinal surgeon. I did internet research. Initially I was hesitant where to go to and looking at different clinics, what they offer, and also I look at the reviews. I decided to come to Vera Clinic, and I don't regret at all that I came to Vera Clinic. It's a very good clinic, really. My results at the moment are beyond expectations. Even yesterday I told my wife that I have never seen such a clinic in the UK like Vera Clinic. Everything is perfect. So the building is very beautiful. Everything is so clean. The staff is very helpful. Everything is state of the art, and I'm honest with that. As I said, I've never seen such a clinic in the UK. To be honest, it's first time in my life I to have an operation. Probably it will change a little bit my attitude to patient, and I'll understand patients better. Everything was perfectly organized, even the stay at the hotel, the transport and everything. Actually, if people are coming from everywhere, and I witnessed myself, the quality is very high.